Dear students, welcome to back my class. Today I'll solve creative question on trigonometric ratio of associated angles. Look at the board. Here ABC is a triangle. Here three sides. AC and express C, BC, A and AC, B. Question A, show that B plus C into sine A divided by 2 is equals to A cos B minus C divided by 2. Question on B, if A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus C to the power 4 is equal to 2AC square into A square plus B square, then show that C 45 degree or 35. If A root 3 plus 1 and B root 3 minus 1 and C equals 60 degree, then find out C, A and B. Now we'll solve this question. Solution A. Firstly, we have to know the formula of sine rule. We know from sine rule A divided by sine A, B divided by sine B, C divided by sine C is equal to 2R, where R is the radius of circumcircle of a circle. Here, now we can get A divided by sine A equals to 2R. So A cross multiplication 2R sine A. Similarly, we can write B equals to 2R sine B, C equals to 2R sine C. Here we have to prove B plus C sine into sine A by 2 is equal to cos A cos B minus C by 2. Here B plus C divided by A. Now we put the value of A, B and C. Here value of B 2R sine B, value of C 2R sine C. Here value of A 2R sine A. Here 2R common, sine B plus sine C, 2R into sine A. 2R delete. We can write sine B plus sine C divided by sine A. Or B plus C divided by A is equal to sine B plus sine C divided by sine A. We used to formula sine B plus sine C. Sine B plus sine C, formula 2 sine B plus C divided by 2 cos B minus C divided by 2. Sine A, formula 2 sine A divided by 2 cos A divided by 2. Here 2 to delete. Here sin b plus c by 2 what? We know sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So we can get B plus C 180 degree minus C. Dividing by 2 both sides. Here B plus C divided by 2, 90 degree C divided by 2. Now we put the value of B plus C divided by 2, 90 degree minus, here 90 degree minus C divided by 2. Here 182 divided by 90, C divided by 2. Here 2 to delete, we put the value of sine B plus C by 2, sine B plus C by 2, 90 degree minus C divided by 2. Cos B minus C divided by 2. Here, look here, A, B plus C, A. Here correction, B plus C, A. So, here value of B plus C divided by 90 degree, A by 2. Cos B minus C divided by 2. Sin A divided by 2, cos A divided by 2. We use coordinate here. Sin 90 degree minus A by 2, we use coordinate as 90 degree into 1. So 1 is odd number, so ratio will be changed. Here cos A by 2, cos B minus C by 2 divided by sin A divided by 2, cos A divided by 2. Here cos A divided by 2, cos A by 2 delete. Here we can write B plus C by A, right side cos, here cos B minus C divided by 2, B minus C divided by 2 divided by sin A by 2. We use cross multiplication. Here B plus C into sin A divided by 2, A into cos B minus C by 2. Here, look here, B plus C sin A by 2, B plus C sin A by 2 is equal to A into cos B minus C by 2, A into cos B minus C by 2. So, sure, A. Given that A square B is A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus C to the power 4 2 is C square A square plus B square. So firstly we have to calculate side change. A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 C to the power 4 minus 2A square C square minus 2B square C square is equal to 0. Here A square whole square plus B square whole square plus minus C square whole square plus 2 into, we use formula A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Here A square plus B square plus C square 2AB plus 2BC plus 2C equals to A plus B plus C whole square. We use this formula here. Okay. Here A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB. Here 2 into A mean A square, B mean B square, 2AB plus 2BC, b square into c square 2bc plus 2ca, 2 into c minus c square into a square 2ca. Here we follow a square a to the power 4 b square b to the power 4 c square c to the power minus plus. Here 2a square b square extension 2 plus minus a minus 2b square c square. Here plus minus a minus 2a square c square missing, but we follow here 2a square b square is extension to use formula. Here equating to a square b square. There is no sense in the value in this question. So you can write here formula a square plus b square minus c square whole square 2a square b square. We use this formula. Here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c whole square equal to a plus b plus c. A mean a square a, b square minus c square, or here a square plus b square minus c square is equal to root over plus minus 2a square b square. Here a square plus b square minus c square is equal to plus minus root 2ab. Now dividing 2ab on both sides, a square plus b square minus c square dividing 2ab is equal to plus minus root 2ab divided by ab. We can write a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2a, formula cos c. Here 2 we can write root 2 into root 2. So root 2 delete, ab delete 1 by root 2 plus minus 1 divided by root 2. Cos c plus minus 1 divided by root 2. Here cos c equal plus minus cos 45. Value of cos 45 1 divided by root 2. Taking plus sign we get taking plus sign cos c cos 45 degree, so we can write c equal 45 degree. Again taking minus sign, cos c equal plus minus cos 45 degree. Here cos c cos 180 degree minus 35. Degree. Here we use quadrant. Cos 180 degree minus 45 means here 180 degree. 180 90 degree into 2 right angle quadrant. Here as 2 is even number, so ratio will not be changed, cos will be cos. So cos 45 degree, cos second quadrant cos will be negative, so cos 45. We can write cos c 180 degree minus 45 cos 135 degree. So we can write C equal 135. Sure. Therefore, C equals 135 degree. So we can see here C 45 or 35. Therefore, C 45 degree or 135. Sure. Next question on C. If A root 3 plus 1 B root 3 minus 1 C 60, then find out C, A and B. We are given that C 60 degree, A root 3 plus 1, B root 3 minus 1. We know sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Here value of C 60 degree. A plus B plus 60 degree 180 degree, or A plus B 180 degree minus 60 degree, or A plus B 180 to 60 0 to 1 120 degree. Here equation 1. Next, from tangent law we know, from tangent law we know tan A minus B divided by 2, A plus B divided by A minus B cot C by 2. Here we put the value of A, B and C. Value of A root 3 plus 1 plus value of B. Here tangent law, here sign negative plus positive. A minus B divided by A plus B. Here value of B root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus into minus plus 1. Here root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1 into cot C, value of C 60 degree divided by 2. Or tan A minus B divided by 2 right side, here minus root 3 plus root 3 delete plus minus delete. We can write 2 divided by 2 root 3 multiply cot 30 degree. or 10 a minus b by 2 divided by 2 multiply root 3 for 30 degree value root over 3. Root 3 delete 2 delete 1. We can write 10 a minus b by 2 1 or 10 a minus b divided by 2 10 45 degree. Value of 10 45 degree 1. 10 delete. We can write a minus b divided by 2 45 degree or a minus b 45 into 2 90 degree. Here equation 2. Next, now adding equation 1 and 2 we get. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get. Equation 1 a plus b 20 degree. Equation 2 a minus b 90 degree. So plus b minus b delete 2a 0 9 2 11 1 2 210 degree or a 210 divided by 2 can write a 105 degree. Again subtracting equation 1 and 2 we get equation 1 and 2 we get equation 1 subtract a plus b 120 degree a minus b 90 degree sin here a delete 2b 30 degree or b equals to 30 degree divided by 2, therefore b equals to 15 degree. We have already got value of a and value of b. Value of a 105 degree and b 15 degree. Next, we have to find out value of c. We know c square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos c. C square, value of a, we use the value of a root 3 plus 1 whole square plus value of b root over 3 minus 1 whole square minus 2 into root over 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1 into cos value of c here 60 degree or c square a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. We use formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square mean 2 into a square plus b square. We use this formula here. Here a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, we can write 2 into a square. 2 into a square mean root 3 whole square, a square plus b square 1 whole square. Minus 2, here a plus b into a minus b. Another formula a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square. So root 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1 root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Here cos 60 degree value half. Or c square 2 we calculate a square root delete 3 plus 1 minus 2 into a square root delete 3 minus 1 into half. Or c square 2 into 314 minus 2 into half 2 to delete or c c square, 4 to the 8 minus 2. Here, or c square equals 6, therefore c equals to root over 6. Their value of required result. So we can see here value of A, your result value of A mean what? Here value 105 degree, value of B 15 degree and C root over 6. These are record result. Okay, no more today. Allah Hafiz.